What if I told you that behind me, I have a 2024 fifth wheel that's brand new, it's never been titled. So if you guys have been looking for your first trailer or your first fifth wheel and you're looking for a deal, this is a brand new Salem fifth wheel that we have priced all the way down to $39,975. This one is 32 feet long, right around 8,000 pounds dry. And at $40,000, guys, we are giving this away. Okay, you're gonna have an outside kitchen, plenty of storage. You're gonna have a tankless hot water heater, so you have on-demand hot water at all times, electric awning with an LED light strip underneath, right? So if you're looking to full-time and save money here in Southern California, if you're looking to have a home away from home, right? Let's say you have a destination you like to travel to, like Havasu or, you know, a parent's house in another state, and you want to have your own living space, then this fifth wheel is going to make a lot of sense for you, okay? So as soon as you walk in, you have a U-shaped dinette. Next to that, you have a couple of recliners that sit right across from where you can put a 50-inch TV. Underneath that, you have a sound bar, an electric fireplace, plenty of countertop space in this fifth wheel, by the way. A lot of countertop space. Big old microwave, 3-burner stovetop, oven, sinks over here, super cool fancy sink. You get that farmhouse styled sink there. Plenty of overhead storage. AC is there. You have a 10 cubic foot electric refrigerator. Storage next to that, little pantry storage. Put cups, napkins, plates, all that fun stuff, right? And this is all you need. And let's say you're watching this too and you say, hey, Victor, you know, my spouse and my kid want to go camping in a fifth wheel, right? We prefer fifth wheel camping. Well, that U-shaped dinette there in the back, that's going to turn into another sleeping space for another guest. Here in the restroom, you're going to have a corner radial shower. Okay, that's your control for your tankless water heater. Towel rack is there. You have a stool, little storage cubby there, which is really recessed in for towels. Medicine cabinet, vanity, and you have storage underneath that vanity. And stepping in here in the bedroom, let's cut the lights on for you guys. Stepping here in the bedroom, you have a king-size bed that tilts and reclines. The button for it is right there next to the light switch. So you hit that button and this king-size bed will lay down flat. You have lights, you have overhead storage, right? Reading lights, all that fun stuff. Big old king-size bed too. You have a window here on this side. You have a window on the other side, so you're gonna have plenty of airflow and natural light that's able to come in here, right? Storage. You have a spot to mount a TV on that wall right there and a closet here in the corner. Now, I'm going to tell you, the biggest complaint on this trailer is the fact that there's no AC in the bedroom. But does that necessarily mean you can't put an AC in the bedroom? That does not mean that at all. Because you can pay a service center like ours to install another AC in here, maybe get a soft start AC at a lower BTU, and it would be possible to get a second AC in here. And I understand most people, when they're shopping for a trailer, a fifth wheel, they're looking for a second AC to already be installed. And I understand that. I know where you're coming from. But that doesn't mean you can't have a second air installed in this trailer. So if you want to save a crazy amount of money and get a really, really nice, beautiful fifth wheel for dirt cheap, call me or text me 760-559-6103. Call me, text me, whatever information you need, I'll send it to you. There will be a link in the description box down below with all the specs and dimensions and details and all that fun stuff. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, because crazy deals like this are hard to come by. And when I come by them, I will be posting them on my YouTube channel. Like the video, comment, let me know what you thought. Let me know what you're looking for so I can get another video idea on what to put out next. But with that being said, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys on the next video.